Okay, so in yesterday's lab, we discuss what is a definition of the graph. Okay, so graph is a connections between the vertices, clear, and these connections may be anyone, clear, as a link form. So how Google Map is used the concept of graph theory, okay? Which theory is used this year? Let us watch this video. Yeah. Here there are three questions when we use any Google Map, okay? Any of the map. So how map service will work? Okay? How it find the fastest route means the smallest route, okay? Distance between the two places. And third question is hard to understand the theory behind it. No, it's very easy that, okay. So here it's definition of graph theory is given. Now, what does it mean? Okay. So graph is the connections between the location, okay. Connectivity as any connectivity you can consider that. Okay. As a network connections, as a road network, okay, as a rail network, flight network, yeah, or internet connections between the computer and so on. So here one of its graph is given that it is a vertices and it is called edges. Okay? And then after we'll implement this concept to the Google Map. Okay. So here is just search one of the locations. Okay. That is this one. You are here. It arbitrary any two location you can consider. Okay. That is not fixed. That is starting location. And here in that place that is ending location. Okay. This one that is the ending location, okay, root end location, and you are here. Now you have to find the root between these two locations. ठीक है, आपको इसका root find करना है. So how Google Map is work? Let us check. Okay. Uh, Here we identify the sub location. Okay, these are the sub locations between these two places. Clear? Means near a circle. Clear? Where we can uh, find the another route. Clear? So these are the sub location. These are the two main locations, and these are its sub locations between the two places. Okay? And then after we consider as a one of the vertex. Clear? The sub locations we will consider as a one of the vertex between these two places. Okay? So these are the sub locations between the A to N. Okay, and then after next step, okay, we'll connect these two locations by the connectivity. Okay, by road network, flight network, anyway. Okay? So then after we'll check that Google Map check that there is a path between these two nearest location or not. ठीक है, उसके बीच में कोई path है या नहीं. ठीक है? So we'll identify this all the road, okay, network between these two nearest location, okay, and then after we'll connect all this internet internal connection and so on. Okay? And you'll get one of the picture how many route is possible. Okay? How many paths to connect A to N, okay, starting and ending. And then after he will check the edges. Okay, means the road network, okay, between these two places, and he will identify the distance. Okay, he will calculate the distance. That is a 5, 6, 2, 4, 6. This number considered as a distance between these two nearest location. Okay, and then we'll total it of your our route, and we get final total. Okay, between these two places. Okay, so how many route is possible? Here we get this one. First is of A, B, E, okay, H, I, J. Second is this one, okay, A to D, G, M to N. That is this one, and that is the first one. middle part. And then after we get this scenario, okay, the fastest way from A to N. Clear? There is one of the algorithm is used that, okay, Descartes Prim's algorithm to get a fastest route between the two places. We'll also discuss after that. Here we get this through three route, okay. This shaded by blue line. A to D, C, M to N, and first, second is A to B, E, H, I, L, N, and first is A, B, C, F, I, L, N. Okay, these are the three fastest route. Okay, and then after we Google implement this concept to its actual map. Okay, these are the map, and in this part we just enter the starting location, ending location. Okay, here we just use this direction option. Okay, in that case, ending, starting location, and that will get this three route. Okay, three possible route will get as a conclusion. Okay, as a output. And here the timing is also mentioned, the distance is also mentioned. Okay, between these two locations. So here we get we can also change it. Okay, if we change the route by the three different color, it is mentioned it here. If we click any of that route, we'll get the actual ID. Clear? Okay, so this is the importance of graph theory in Google Map. Clear? It is a base. Clear? Without the graph theory, we cannot. Yes, Google Map cannot work very smoothly. Okay. If you enter any of the locations, any two locations, and within, if your depends on your internet speed. Okay, we get fast result. Okay, fast output. Okay, there are the three routes are in between these two locations. Two routes are in between the two locations, and so. Okay? So this importance of a graph theory. Is there any question in this video how it will be work and so on? You understand? ठीक है ऐसा ग्राफ थ्योरी वर्क करता है इन द गूगल मैप ठीक है ग्राफ मींस कनेक्शंस बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट और गूगल मैप उसी पे डिपेंडेंट है ठीक है yeah all of you have clear this application is there any doubt any question okay good so it depends on the shortest route okay means minimum possible distance between these two locations so there are 2 to 3 algorithm okay that we'll learn in this semester also Prim's algorithm, Kruskal algorithm to find the shortest route. Clear? So that theory, okay, it's also implement to one of the consumer company and so on. For example, Amazon है, ठीक है, Flipkart है. So this delivery boy, okay, of Amazon either in Zomato है, ठीक है, delivery persons. They also use this type of app, okay. he just enter a starting location ठीक है जहाँ पे वो है and he end the ending location जिसको वहाँ पे कोई पार्सल या कोई फूड आइटम वो डिलीवर करना है ठीक है so which route he will use to get to find the minimum distance to the minimum distance okay and he can deliver this item okay this parcel within the time so they are also using this type of app which depends on the graph theory to find the minimum possible distance between these two locations okay so there is one of the well-known problem okay there are two well-known problems to find the shortest route one is a Chinese postman problem okay and second is a salesman problem traveling salesman problem so let us discuss this problem today okay which type of problem any of the salesmen face okay during the deliver the parcel and so on to each and every location okay so let's consider one of its example and let us check which will be the possible distance okay shortest distance okay so just 1 minute we'll share this problem Just 1 minute. Yeah, this problem. Okay, that is one of the well-known problem in graph theory, traveling salesman problem. Okay, uh, the problem overview is given that here. Okay, and the graph is also mentioned in that. Okay, map is not given, but it's a graphical view. Okay, graph view is given, that graphical representation is given here. Okay, of any of the city map. Uh, what is the problem that you have to start with the city one? How many cities are in this map, in this graph? uh, 7 cities. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cities are there. uh, the salesman must travel all the city once. ठीक है, जो सेल्समैन है, ठीक है, कोई पर्सन है, उसको सभी सिटी को विजिट करना है, ठीक है, एक ही बार. दैट इज द कंडीशन. यू हैव टू विजिट ऑल द सिटी एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम. ठीक है, एंड बिफोर रिटर्निंग होम मीन्स वन से वो स्टार्ट करेगा सिटी वन से, और फिर से उसको वन तक पहुंचना है. ठीक है, दैट इज द कंडीशन. जहाँ से उसने स्टार्ट की जर्नी, ठीक है, एट फ्रॉम योर होम, फिर से उसको वहां तक पहुंचना है. ठीक है, वहां पे उसकी जर्नी एंड होगी. सो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ईच सिटी इज गिवन. सभी का डिस्टेंस दिया गया है. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सिटी 1 and 2, दैट इज 12 किलोमीटर. 2 to 3 4 it is also 12 kilometer. Okay, 4 to 6 it is also 10 kilometer. Okay, 5 to 6 that is 6 kilometer, and so on. So this number indicate the distance between two location. Okay, two city. तो आपको क्या करना है, एंड इट इज एज्यूम दैट इज द सेम डिस्टेंस इन बोथ द डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, अगर आप 1 to 2 तक जाते हो और 2 से 1 तक आते हो, तो दैट विल बी सेम किलोमीटर, दैट ओके 12. And only the links are shown in this use. Objective is that minimize the total distance to be traveled. तो आपको एक ऐसा रूट फाइंड करना है, ठीक है, कि जिसमें वो मिनिमम डिस्टेंस अचीव्ड हो. ठीक है, द सेल्समैन विजिट ऑल द सिटी एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम. ठीक है, and reach back to the starting place, and in this such route, okay, you have to check that the total distance should be the minimum. Okay, to minimize the time. Okay, and he can deliver the parcel, either any food delivery item, within the specific time. Okay, so this all the delivery persons. Okay, Zomato, Swiggy, okay, any of the courier companies, as well as this Amazon, Flipkart, all these delivery persons. Okay, they use such type of app. ठीक है, उसमें उसको क्या करना होता है, locations are already imported, okay, by this app, and he just use this app to check which route he will use. Okay, to deliver all such item one by one. ठीक है, to minimize the distance, to minimize, because this is important for us. ठीक है, we can get a fast delivery. Okay, as per the mentioned time. So how it is possible? Okay, how it is possible that, so graph theories help that to check a minimum total distance. Okay, this app will use this type of algorithm. Okay, and he will check that which route is possible. Okay, which is the minimum total distance. Okay, so now check it by yourself which route you will use that. Okay, and you can write your answer in such way. ठीक है, for example एक route मैं बताता हूँ, 1 to 2, that is 12 plus 2 to 4, that is also 12. 12 plus 12, 24, plus 4 to 6, okay, 10 kilometer. 6 to 5, or plus 6 kilometer. 5 to 3, 3 kilometer, and 3 to 7, and 7 to 1. That is one route, but check that which will be the minimum. Okay, so check all it possibility, and then after compare all the total distance and identify which will be the minimum. Okay, so this is for your practice right now. A question is clear to all? Is there any confusion? Rusi, Dhruvil, Vinit, Ankur. तीरथ वैभव, क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया सबको, क्या करना है? ओके नाइस। ओके तो ट्राई करो, ठीक है, एंड देन विल डिस्कस अनदर प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू द ग्राफ theory. You just also mention the total distance with your answer. Okay, 1375642. That is one chain. Okay, one route. So also write the total distance. Okay, how many distance salesman will cover during the journey. It should be the close walk. Okay, so 137566421. ठीक है, 2 से 1 तक भी जाना होगा ना, then you can reach to at our home. So 54 plus 12 होगा, so that will be 66. Okay, all of you try it and check it. Okay, it's very easy, not difficult. Here we not use any formula of integration, derivative, matrix concept, and so on. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, not very difficult. Yeah, that is a starting point is given that, okay. स्टार्टिंग प्लेस कहीं तो स्टार्टिंग प्लेस होगा, ठीक है. सो राइट नाउ द वन इज द स्टार्टिंग सिटी इज दैट, ओके, जहाँ से वो सेल्समैन जर्नी स्टार्ट करता है, ठीक है, टू कवर्ड all the city one by one, ठीक है. He deliver the parcel at each city, and then after he will reach back to the starting place, means at home. ठीक है, दैट इज आर्बिटरी सिचुएशन, ठीक है. अगर आप कोई प्लेसेस चेंज करते हो, ठीक है, तो यू विल गेट अनदर ग्राफ इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट. Yes, okay. Most of reply the answer. Only 4 students are there. 5 students. Okay. 6. Um, बाकी सब स्टूडेंट क्या कर रहे हैं? विशाल, विन, वंदितु, वासु, संजय, मयंक, कल्पना बेन, सेम आंसर. ओके. There is one algorithm to check the shortest distance. Okay. And that is Descartes algorithm, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal algorithm. You can use it there, but right now we are just calculate it by using various route, okay, by various possibility and so on. So, but by using that algorithm, okay, we just implement there to this any of the graph, okay, we can find the shortest route also. Okay? So here, let us check which will be the shortest route in this graph, okay. सो वन से आपको स्टार्ट करना है, ठीक है. एंड दैट इज वन आर्बिटरी सिचुएशन, ठीक है. ये कोई एक सिचुएशन है कि जिसमें इस तरह का ग्राफ है. अगर सिचुएशन चेंज होती है तो ग्राफ भी बदल जाएगा, ठीक है. अगर लोकेशन चेंज होते हैं तो डिस्टेंस ऑल्सो विल बी चेंज दैट बिटवीन द टू प्लेसेस. सो ग्राफ ऑल्सो विल बी चेंज, ठीक है. It will be always not a fixed that graph will use in any of the conditions. Okay? That is for any particular location are there, okay, of the 12 city map, 7 city map, and the distance are given. Okay, so let's start the uh, answer. Okay, and we can also use the Prim's algorithm. Algorithm क्या है कि आपको पहले सभी का डिस्टेंस चेक करना है, ठीक है. दैट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन हियर इन दिस ग्राफ. एंड देन आफ्टर यू जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द नियरेस्ट स्मॉलेस्ट डिस्टेंस, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 to 2 है, ठीक है. 1 to 2 को आपको कनेक्ट करना है, तो व्हाट विल बी द स्मॉलेस्ट डिस्टेंस टू कनेक्ट 1 to 2, ठीक है. काफी सारी पाथ, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पाथ आर पॉसिबल बिटवीन 1 to 2, ठीक है. एक डायरेक्ट पाथ है जिसमें 12 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस है, ठीक है. दूसरा पाथ आप बाउंड्री भी ले सकते हो, ठीक है. एंड इट विल बी 12 + 9 + 10 + 12, सो इट इज मैक्सिमम, ठीक है. देन आफ्टर यू कैन कंसिडर 132. सो 132 में कितने किलोमीटर होंगे? 10 + 8 दैट इज 18. क्लियर. सो मिनिमम क्या हुआ? दैट इज अ 12 ओनली, ठीक है. मिनिमम इज द 12. So you can consider the 12 kilometer of 1 to 2. Then after you just check from 2 to remaining all, ठीक है. 2 to 3, so which will be the smallest distance between 2 to 3, ठीक है. So check it, and in this way you can remove the extra edges, okay, जिसमें maximum distance होता है, ठीक है. You just remove it and just add in your root, okay, the smallest distance between these two, and you will get one of the minimize the distance. Clear. So here which locations you will visit the first, okay. दैट इज नॉट फिक्स ईयर कि आपको 1 से 2 तक ही जाना है, 2 से 3 थर्ड सिटी विजिट करना है. दैट कंडीशन इज नॉट गिवन ईयर. आप कोई भी सिटी पहले विजिट कर सकते हो, ठीक है. बट स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज 1 ईयर, ठीक है. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट 1 है, और 1 से आप कोई भी सिटी पहले विजिट कर सकते हो. दैट इज नॉट फिक्स ईयर, बट उसका जो टोटल डिस्टेंस हो होगा वो मिनिमम होना चाहिए, ठीक है. सो हियर from 1 to 3, okay, that is a 10 kilometer. Let's start with the 3 first, okay. So 1 3, that is a 10. Then after we consider 5, okay. So 1 3 5 7, that is 20, okay. 1 3 5 7, 20 kilometer, plus 9 29, okay, means 5 to 7 7 to 6, okay. 20 plus 9 29, 29 plus 10 means 6 to 4, okay. 29 plus 10, that is 39, okay. And 39 plus 4 to 2, okay. 39 plus 12, okay. 51. Clear. 39 plus 12, 51, and plus 2 to 1, so 51 plus again 12, so it will be 63, okay. It is one answer, okay. And now check another possibility. Can we find less than 63 or not, okay. So is there any possibility of less than 63? Yes, have you got any answer? Less than 63. Is there any possibility for less than 63? Okay. Is it not possible? Okay. Good. Same answer. Okay. We get minimum distance 60 from different route also. That is also possible. Okay. Clear. So this is the applications of graph theory. Okay. But that we are calculate manually here. Okay. But there is one software available that. Okay. Some algorithms C programming are there. We just enter the location only. Okay. With it kilometer. Okay. Distance between this location only in this programming. Okay. And then after we can directly get it output. Okay. That will be the shortest distance. Okay. Shortest route between these two locations. Okay. So this type of questions will solve, okay, during this lab session, clear, and will also solve assignment example, clear. And we get some time, okay, during this lab sessions, we'll add this type of example, okay, and we'll practice it. And we'll also discuss some other applications of graph theory also, how you can implement the concept of graph theory to this networking example, okay, to the housework example, to check minimum possibility, okay, between these two object and so on. Okay, that we'll discuss during this lab session. Clear? So we'll keep up to this in this lab. Clear? We'll start assignment questions, okay, from the next week lab. Clear? uh, because we just started the concept in this lecture. Okay, so we'll finish some of the part of unit number 4 in the lecture. Okay, we'll also get two more lecture in this week, so we'll finish some of the part. Okay, so we can solve some example in this lab session. Clear? So we'll start lab content. Okay, assignment will in this next lecture. Okay, so all of you please write down your roll number in chat box for the attendance. Okay, and then you may lab the session. Okay.